Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to an episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Today in the garage, we're halfway in, halfway out, is this Redmax EBZ7500 backpack loader that I bought for resale. It currently runs and dies. Let me show you. And I've tried everything to get it going, from seafoam to even cleaner. I do not rebuild it. Cold start. Here we go. Runs, dies, surges, and starts. So, here we go. Aftermarket Chinese carburetor, less than 20 bucks. It came with a kit. I'm not utilizing the whole kit. Be careful when you order these. Let me show you the one that they sent me originally. This is the wrong one. Even though it looks like it, this needs to be here. The fuel lines need to be flipped 180. Even though this, I didn't want to use this one because this doesn't look factory, but it is what it is. I'm going to advertise, as always, that I did put a new carburetor on it. We're enhancing the value. This just is a dead giveaway that it is an aftermarket carburetor. If I bought an OEM carburetor, that would defeat my bottom line. I do not know the long-term effects on an aftermarket carburetor. I have a Husqvarna 560 BT that I use around the house. It's going on, I think, either 1 or 2 years on an aftermarket carburetor, and I'm not having any issues. So no big deal. So as you guys see, just the T25s, we're good to go. Another T25, and there's just going to be 2 torque screws on the very end. Right? Off camera, you'll be fine. You'll look. Torx is a very specific bolt. Okay? It's unmistakable. And when I take this out, I'll show you. Fuel lines just come out. I'm just going by hand. The fuel lines are easy for me to pull off because, like I said, I tried cleaning this and salvaging the carburetor. Next step here is, zoom, is this piece right here. So we're just going to gauge it. Bend. Here we go. That's right. Throttle off. Bend it and see how it pops out. In and out. We're good to go. Let's pull this out. And these are your 2 torque screws. Okay? Very simple. Can't miss it. Out we go. And then now we're just going to pull out the carburetor. The Husqvarna actually needs a primer bulb, so I'm just going to take the primer bulb off this and stick it in. This is the carburetor that's wrong. This is the carburetor that's good. So I like to do the cable first. In the same way that we took it out, it's the same way we put it in. Oops. So same thing, same movement. In and out we go. And let's see if we can get this to catch. Yep, it's cool. Good to go. Big in front. This in the back. And that's it. So we're going to prime for a good time. And go from there. Gaskets are still in shape, still in good shape, so there's no need for me to fix it. I don't even remember this came with the gasket kit. If it did, I would just release it. Just to have it in the gasket. It's not the case. As you guys see, I'm not using any impact tools as much as I love to. I don't want to strip anything out. Turn an easy repair to a complicated repair. Just applying even pressure. I don't tighten one screw all the way down and do the other. I get them nice and snug, and then I tighten it down one by one. Now, if I was a landscaper and I run nothing but Redmaxes, I would probably have more than one of these on hand, because I know downtime is very, very big for you guys. And let's see if this OEM clip fits. I mean, if we wanted to, because we know that this is the same one, I guarantee you I could take this out and swap it. We're going to leave that. So let's see. Keep it in. Your priming. Cold start. All right. Give it a pull. Can you see that? Focus. It's got nothing but dirt in here. How did I miss that? Alright, let me dump that out. Start with fresh gas. Alrighty, so fresh gas. This is the fuel filter, and I replaced it with the one that came in a kit, significantly smaller, but now it runs. Now I wonder if that was the issue. Alright guys, even though my diagnostic skills were a little poor, I'm actually going to throw the OEM carburetor on and see if it is the issue or not. But anyway, this answered your question. If you need an aftermarket carburetor for your Redmax EBZ7500 or Husqvarna, an aftermarket carburetor will work. Save yourself a couple of bucks, buy more than one if you're a professional, and swap out as needed. Cannot vouch for how long it's going to last. Alright guys, if you guys found this video helpful, entertaining, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Guess what? I'll see you guys on the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Alright guys, later.